Hello friends, this is Sanjukta Kaur. Welcome to my channel Digitives. In my channel you will get all the videos related to CBSE class 11th and 12th syllabus, Computer Science with Python. Very soon you will get other videos related to different programming languages like C++, Java, etc. So friends, watch the videos till end so that you can clear your doubt. Like my videos, share it with your friends, and of course, if you have not subscribed till now, so subscribe my channel. So friends, in this video, now I am going to discuss about few questions for your term 2 theory exam as well as practical exam. So let's discuss the first question. Question number 1. Write a program to create a dictionary with roll number and name of students as key value respectively and display the details in ascending order of their roll number. So friends, here that we have to just create a dictionary with key value pairs, but this time the roll number will be the key and the name of the student will be the value of the dictionary variable, right? After that we have to just display the items of this dictionary variable in ascending order of the roll number, right? For example, if this dictionary D contains some roll number that is 10 and the name is Raj, similarly 5 is the roll number, Sia is the name, 7 is the roll number, and Ram is the name, right? So here now we have to just display the dictionary by the ascending order of the roll number, right? That means 5 and Sia will come first, after that 7 and Ram will come next, second element, and at third element 10 and Raj will come. So in this case just we will use the sorted function, okay? That sorted function is available with our dictionary, so we will use the same. So let's do it practically. So friends, let's discuss the question practically. So here I have written that question in comment part. Now I have to declare one variable, dictionary variable, that is D1, right? Now D1 contains some roll number, suppose roll number 10, and that name of the student, this is my first element. Similarly second roll number is 2 and name of student, it is Anmol. Similarly third element, suppose 3 and the name of the student is Rakesh. Similarly fourth element, the roll number is 5, name of the student is Rahul. Next 12 and name of student is Sarthak, right? So only 5 elements here I have stored. So now question is asking you that you have to display the elements of this dictionary by the ascending order of their roll number, right? So here randomly I have stored the roll number, so here just print D1. Now how will you display the ascending order of that roll number? How will you display the same? For that we have to use print sorted is that function. Now D1 dot items, right? So when we will use the items method of dictionary variable, at that time automatically then this method will just arrange the keys, because here keys are 10, 2, 3, 5 and 12. So items method sorted D1 dot items method just will arrange the keys of the dictionary variable in this ascending order, right? So let's set this program, that when we will execute, then now you see that 2 is the roll number, name is Anmol. Similarly 3 is the roll number, after that 3 Rakesh is the name, 5 Rahul is the name, 10 Raj and 12 Sarthak. So friends, here I have used the sorted function. तो आपको यहाँ पे ये पता चल रहा है कि जब आप sorted फंक्शन यूज कर रहे हो और साथ में आप D1 डॉट आइटम्स मेथड यूज कर रहे हो, that means item methods just will return all the items of your dictionary variable including key value pair, and it returns the same in the form of list. Okay, now you can see then this one is one list form. Okay, so already सारे आइटम्स जो है, ये जितने भी आइटम्स है वो आपकी एक एक इंडिविजुअल आइटम्स, दैट मीन्स की वैल्यू पेयर, नाउ ये आपकी टपल फॉर्म पे आ चुका है और पूरे जितने भी एलिमेंट्स थे वो सब टपल में इंक्लूडेड है और ये आपकी लिस्ट फॉर्म पे आपको रिटर्न हो रही है. दैट मीन्स आइटम मेथड्स, वैल्यूज मेथड, कीज मेथड, जब भी आप यूज करोगे तो इसमें आपको लिस्ट फॉर्म पे डिटेल्स आपको मिलेगा, राइट। सो आपको सॉर्टेड फंक्शन यूज करना है। सॉर्टेड फंक्शन इज यूज टू अरेंज द एलिमेंट्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। For descending order, just we have to write one extra parameter, that is reverse equal to true, right? So here in this way you can arrange the elements of this dictionary variable by the ascending order of the key. Hope all of you understood this question. So let's discuss the next question. Create a dictionary with name and marks of n students in a class and display the names of those students who have scored marks more than or equal to 85. So here this one is very important concept, that create a dictionary with the name and marks of n students. That means now I don't know how many details I have to enter. So first I have to ask the user to enter the total number of students. After that I have to continue the loop, and in that body of the loop I have to ask the name of students and at the same time marks of students. After that I have to check that how many students, or I have to display the name of students who have scored marks more than or equal to 85, right? Hope all of you understood the question. So let's just write this program practically. But we have to create a dictionary with name and marks of students in a class, but how many number of students? n. So यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, कि आपको सबसे पहले द वैल्यू ऑफ n, वो एक n वेरिएबल यू हैव टू डिक्लेयर, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट आस्क द वैल्यू ऑफ n। दैट मीन्स उतना ही डिटेल्स आप एंट्री करोगे जो आपके n के वेरिएबल के साथ इक्वल होगा। सो n इज वन इंटीजर वेरिएबल, इंट इनपुट, एंटर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। बिकॉज आपको यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स, कितने स्टूडेंट्स की डिटेल्स एंट्री करनी है वो आपको यूजर से एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम पे आपको एंट्री कराना है, राइट। After that you have to continue this, that means you have to use this n variable in a loop. So for I in range your 0 to n, that means now we have to continue one loop, because जितने भी नंबर n का जितना भी वैल्यू होगा उतना ही टाइम हमें ये लूप कंटिन्यू करना है। so that in that body of the loop we will ask the name and marks of students. After that we have to just enter into that dictionary variable. So let us discuss one blank dictionary variable. Suppose d equal to, just this is d is one blank dictionary variable, right? So now you ask the user, that is name is variable, so this is string type of variable, name input, enter the name of student. That means here you have to enter the name of student, that is first element. After that similarly marks is another variable. This time you can declare it as int or float according to your choice. You can enter the data type. So int input, enter the marks of student, right? See, यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया, जैसे कि आपने n की वैल्यू यूजर से इनपुट लिया। सपोज मुझे 5 स्टूडेंट्स की डिटेल्स एंट्री करनी है, मुझे 5 एलिमेंट्स डिटेल एंट्री करनी है अपने डिक्शनरी वेरिएबल पे। सो d इज नाउ वन डिक्शनरी ब्लैंक डिक्शनरी वेरिएबल हैविंग 0 नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट, राइट। बट आपने क्या किया, n का वैल्यू आपने यूजर से मांग लिया है। दैट मीन्स आपको कितना वैल्यू, n का कितना वैल्यू देना है, कौन सा नंबर आपको n में एंट्री करनी है, सो दैट आप उतना ही डिटेल्स एंट्री कर पाओगे, राइट। बिकॉज फॉर आई इन रेंज 0 to n, नाउ मुझे एक लूप कंटिन्यू करनी है और उसमें 0 से लेकर n तक वो लूप कंटिन्यू करना है। और आपको पता है 0 से लेकर n तक मीन्स n-1 तक ये लूप आपकी कंटिन्यू होगा। सपोज आपकी अगर n की वैल्यू 5 है तो 0 to 4 you have to just continue this loop. When I value equal to 0, first time it will ask you that enter the name of student and enter the marks of students, right? After just getting one details, that means one name and one marks, then you have to add this in your dictionary variable. So how will you do that? The dictionary variable name is d, so d of name equal to marks. तो आपको ये लूप कितनी बार कंटिन्यू करनी है, आपको 5 टाइम्स कंटिन्यू करना है ना। जब आई का वैल्यू 0 है तो आपने क्या किया, एक बार नेम आपने यूजर से एंट्री कराया और एक बार मार्क्स भी आपने यूजर से एंट्री कराई। उसके बाद आपने डिक्शनरी वेरिएबल पे वो नेम एंड मार्क्स आपने ऐड किया, राइट। Similarly, next time what happened? Next time your loop will continue for I value equal to 1. Then again the same, you have to ask one name from the user. Similarly, you ask one marks from the user, and again you have to add the second element into the dictionary variable, and you have to continue the same. After that, now just come out from the body of the loop, then print the dictionary variable, that is D. That means already you have created your dictionary variable with n number of elements. Now what is your question? That is, you have to display only those names who have scored the marks equal to or more than 85, right? So now what will you do? Just for K and V, these are two variables in D dot items method. As you know, D dot items method पे आप जब items method यूज करते हो तो K को भी आप पॉइंट आउट कर सकते हो, V को भी आप पॉइंट आउट कर सकते हो, राइट? नाउ V जब वैल्यू होगा, V जो है वो वैल्यू को पॉइंट आउट करेगा, और आप क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? कंपेयर करोगे. इफ V is greater than equal to, because your condition is that you have to display only the names of those students who have scored marks more than or equal to 85. So here V points to the marks part, K points to the name part. So if V is greater than equal to 85, then print the names, and names means K points to the name, and marks, already V points to the marks part, so V. Hope all of you understood. Now for K and V both are two variables. K points to the key part and V points to the value part. एंड हमारे क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि जिसका जो मार्क्स है अगर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 85 है तो आप उन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स का नेम एंड मार्क्स दोनों के दोनों डिस्प्ले करा, राइट? सो ओनली दिस मच वी नीड टू डू. After that, just save this program, then execute it. Now enter the total number of students. Suppose this time the value of n is 5. That means I want to enter 5 details. Enter the name of student. Suppose here my name is Raj. Student name is Raj. Marks is 89. And enter the name of student second element, that is Rahul. Suppose the marks of Rahul is 78, less than 85. Enter the name of students, that is third number of student. Suppose Rakesh, and here the marks of Rakesh is 90. Similarly, enter the name of student. Now student name is Ram, and marks 67. And this is the last details. So enter the name of students, that is Sia, and marks is 88, right? After that, here your original dictionary is this one. Now only we have to display those names who have already scored more than or equal to 85 marks. So here Raj scored 89, Rakesh scored 90, and Sia scored 88. So in this way you can just write the same program. So here the question is कि आप n number of students की डिटेल्स एंट्री करो, और आपके डिटेल्स में कौन सा पार्ट होना चाहिए? नेम एंड मार्क्स होना चाहिए. नेम्स की बन जाएंगे, मार्क्स आपकी वैल्यू बन रहा है. और आफ्टर एंटरिंग द डिटेल्स देन यू हैव टू जस्ट डिस्प्ले दोज नेम्स of students who have scored more than or equal to 85 marks, right? So here already I have continued one loop, and after that here this loop I have used, and in this loop part already I have used d dot items method, because d dot item methods में आपको दोनों वेरिएबल आप यूज कर सकते हो, क्योंकि आपको की भी दिखाना है और वैल्यू भी दिखानी है, राइट? सो this loop I have continued. So with this you can display those names who have scored more than or equal to 85 marks. Hope all of you understood this question. Write a program that has a dictionary of names of students and a list of their marks in 4 subjects. Create another dictionary from this dictionary that has the name of students and their total marks. Students, here also the question is one typical question. Try to understand it, because The question is asking you that write a program that has a dictionary, okay, of names of students and list of their marks in 4 subjects. Like here, if D1 is my dictionary variable name, then Sia is the name of student, and Sia has already opted 4 subjects, and these are the marks of 4 subjects. Similarly, Anand is another student, also 4 marks are there. So Anand is the key and 4 marks are there. These are the values, that means in the list form. Amish is the name of key and Amish marks are that list form, right? So this is the value. So write a program that has a dictionary of names of students and a list of their marks in 4 सब्जेक्ट. तो आपको क्या करना है, स्टूडेंट्स का नाम एंट्री करनी है और उनका जो 4 सब्जेक्ट की मार्क्स वो भी आपको एंट्री करना है. तो आप कैसे करोगे, आपका जो नेम होगा वो आपकी की बन रहा है, बिकॉज आपको पता है की एंड वैल्यू. सो की शुड बी immutable type, but value may or may not be mutable or immutable. That means value may be mutable or immutable, but key should be immutable always, right? So here names of the students are the keys and values are in the list form, so value is that value part, right? So let's just do it practically. After that you have to create another dictionary, and that dictionary contains the name of students and their total mark only. So here 4 marks are there. Now you have to just find out the total marks of the student and store it in another dictionary, right? So let's do it practically. Here I have written that question part, that write a program that has a dictionary of names of students and a list of their marks in 4 subjects. And after that you have to just create another dictionary with the name of students and their total marks only, right? So here let's declare one dictionary variable D1. And now you can see that D1 contains the name of students as key and marks of 4 subject as its value, but it is in list form, because value part, that is immutable or mutable type, you can just contain, okay? So you can insert, right? After that now you just print this dictionary variable, print, display the elements before just applying any logic, right? So before that original dictionary is now D1, right? So here D1 dictionary variable contains the name of students and marks of 4 subjects, and after that another dictionary variable we have to just declare. Suppose new dictionary nd equal to, now this one is a blank dictionary, right? After that I have to use the items method. So for k and v, okay, in d1 dot items method, that means k points to the key part, v points to the value part, right? So here v points to the value part. So initially first time k points to Aman and v points to the this list, right? So very simple. Now I have to just declare another variable total equal to sum function is there. That sum function is, if you use the sum function with this list type, then you can get the total of that numbers, right? So sum of v, because now v points to this list, this particular list. So total equal to sum of v, that means total is one variable. Now total will contain the sum of all these values, right? So after that now the nd is my new variable. So nd of k, k means first time the k value is Aman. So in this new dictionary variable the first key will be the Aman and the value is equal to total, right? So in this way just you can create the new dictionary variable with the student name and the total of the marks of 4 subjects, right? Because this part I have continued in the body of the loop, right? So here first time k points to Aman, v points to this list, second time k points to Rakesh and this v points to second list, similarly third time k points to Ayush and v points to this list, okay? So in this way you can add the key part as well as the total of the marks, right? After that you can just display it, print, now the new dictionary contains check, because already we have created another variable, that is nd variable, and nd is one blank dictionary. Now already we have added the name of students and the total marks of that particular student. So in this way already we have created the new dictionary variable. So let's display. So just save this and execute this. Now you can see original dictionary was Aman having 4 marks, Rakesh having 4 marks, Ayush having 4 marks, right? Now the new dictionary contains Aman, the total mark is 334, Rakesh, the total mark is 380, and Ayush, the total mark is 332. So in this way you can create another dictionary variable with the total marks of students, right? Hope all of you understood this particular program. So thank you friends. Wait for my next video. Again I will come with new programs, right? So thank you very much.